Today we're going to install a door panel on this Jeep Wrangler. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and pick up the door. We're going to go ahead and pass the lock switch right through that port. Alright, and there it is. And what you want to do is latch the door right on the top, just like that, so the whole door is holding itself. Then make sure everything is lined up. This one is not, so you want to line this one up. There it is. There it is. Just give it a nice good tap all the way around. Bring this cable out. Connect our lock connector. Go ahead and connect this and put it back into place. Make sure it's facing the upright position. There it is. Alright, next thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and secure the door down. We're going to go ahead and put the 2 Phillips screws into here and there. Then the torque screws is going to go here and somewhere else. Alright, I like to use a magnet to put the screw into place, just like so. Then we'll go ahead and secure those down. We'll put our little plastic cover into place, just like so. Alright, now this is going to go right behind the door handle. Pull the door handle back and slide this into place, just like so. Need both hands. Now we have 325 torque screws. We're going to insert one here. Secure this down. There's another one that goes right. Oh, not there. There's another one here. That's for show. And then we have another one right here. So we'll go ahead and secure this one, and that one right there. Now we'll go ahead and put this cover back into its spot right down here. And there it is. Now the only thing we got to do is connect our main connector. Bring this in. Latch it into place here. Connect our connector right down here. Can't see, it's pretty dark, but there it is. Then we'll give everything a try, and it is working. Sweet. And that is how you install the door panel on this Jeep Wrangler. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.